with everything happening with the coronavirus, I know that many small businesses are being hit pretty hard, with business going down quite a bit, but especially in Chinatown, they're not getting the tourism. So I wanted to see if I could do something to help, these businesses that I frequent all the time.
林家惠的父母在旧金山华埠长大，他自己也住在附近。对中国城的这份感情，使他自愿发起行动，召集住在湾区的亲朋好友，每周末向中国城餐馆统一订餐。而他，一位科技领域的全职市场分析师，则在周末当上不收取费用的外卖小哥，免费为这些订单配送。林家惠说，虽然有手机订餐应用，但是并不是所有的商家都善于运用，而且订餐和送餐平台也会分走一部分本已微薄的利润。过去1个多月来，他一个人把订餐送到旧金山市区和湾区各处，而这1周1次的行动也为餐馆带去几百上千元的固定收入。
And then it kept literally doubling each week, where it was 12 orders, and it was in the 20s. Yesterday, we delivered 140 meals.
现在林家惠的艺人队伍也有了朋友的加入，配送范围也在扩大。除了免费送餐，林家惠还在脸书上发起为社区非营利组织华协中心的募款活动，希望既可帮到华埠餐馆，也可以帮助社区有需要的人。不到2周的时间，募款额已经超过1万美元。
Chinatown is a special place in my heart. I've had family that has grown up through Chinatown, so I look back and I see these, the people there that are in need, and I think, this could be my family generation, 2 generations ago. So, it does hit close to home for me.
林家惠觉得自己所做的是杯水车薪，但是希望能够帮华埠商家和居民渡过难关，而且在疫情好转后，中国城能够恢复往日的繁华。美国之音墨语采访报道。